54472, ready departure.
54472, roger. In traffic information is 12 o'clock, 3.5 miles. Continuing west along the river is a helicopter below 1,000 feet.
Is it 54472?
54472, wind 34010, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, 54472.
54472, report passing altitude.
1,900 feet, Mechanic from 015, fly 4472.
54472, that's copied, thank you. There is police helicopter traffic. Solid BC 1 Whiskey Mike, taxi holding point Mike.
Deploy Mike, thank you very much. Runway 1 Whiskey Mike.
I want to do Foxtrot, roll to vacate, Bravo, taxi stand 1.
Vacate Bravo, stand 5, fly 1 Foxtrot.
Linear 12 o'clock at 4.5 miles is a helicopter orbiting below 1,000 feet.
Kelham 9, 8 Golf.
Kelham 9 8 Golf, wind 34010, variation northwest to northeast, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Kelham 9 8 Golf. G1 Whiskey Mike, clear.
Follow me T1 Whiskey Mike, wind 33010, variation northwest to north, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
1 Whiskey Mike, we're clear for takeoff, runway 27.
Down the Mike, take any left, taxi stand 8.
Left stand 8, fast in on Mike, thanks.
Heathrow 247, no improvement on your slot, but your start is now approved.
Start approved, Heathrow 247.
Heathrow 247, via mic, line up and report ready, no traffic to affect.
Not the way to report to one ready, Heathrow 247. Heathrow 247 ready.
Heathrow 247, thank you. The surface wind is 320 degrees at 10 knots, bearing northwest to northeast, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear to takeoff for runway 27, Heathrow 247. Again, KLM 66 Charlie, requesting startup.
KLM 66 Charlie, City Tower, your earliest airborne is at time 04. I wasn't going to give you a start for another 4 or 5 minutes, but if you wish, you can start now.
Okay, we'll just start now. KLM 66 Charlie.
Flyer 9 Alpha Juliet, stand for.
Stand for, fly now, sir.
Flyer 66 Echo, stand 2121. KLM 66 Charlie, surface wind is 340 degrees 7 knots, bearing northwest to north, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 27, KLM 66 Charlie.
Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec City Tower, pass your message.
Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec, QNH 1015, 82100, we are ready.
Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec, your start is approved.
Start approved, Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec, thanks.
Expect to vacate at Bravo, surface wind 340 degrees 7 knots, bearing northwest to north, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land on engine 7, expecting Bravo to vacate, let's simple, next one. Flyer 37 Echo, request taxi.
Flyer 37 Echo, taxi, holding point Mike.
Taxi holding point Mike, flyer 37 Echo.
KLM 66 Charlie, contact Thames Director 128.025. Goodbye.
Today 325 KLM 66 Charlie, bye.
Request taxi.
1 Bravo Juliet, follow the company from the left-hand side, holding point Mike.
Follow company from the left, holding point Mike, fly 1 Bravo Juliet.
Flyer 37 Echo, hold Mike and report ready.
Hold Mike Wilco, flyer 37 Echo. Clear takeoff runway 27, flyer 37 Echo.
Flyer 6 Charlie Papa, continue approach, 1 departing ahead.
Continue flyer 6 Charlie Papa.
Charlie Papa, runway 7, clear for that. Fly 1 Bravo Juliet, hold Mike, report ready.
Hold it Mike, and we are now ready for departure. Fly 1 Bravo Juliet.
Fly 1 Bravo Juliet, thank you, behind the landing. Embraer via Mike, line up and wait, runway 27 behind.
Behind landing Embraer forward.
Fly 37 Echo, contact Thames Director 128.025. Goodbye.
28025, flyer 37 Echo. Bye now.
Flyer 6 Charlie Papa, vacate Charlie, stand 3.
Charlie stand 3, flyer 6 Charlie Papa.
Surface wind 32.10 knots, runway 27, clear to land.
Central air runway 27, let's come on. Good evening, flyer 8712, stand 9, information. Bravo 1015, close by PDC, the bus stop.
Flyer 8712, City Tower, starts approved. Fly 1 Bravo Juliet, contact Thames Director 128.025. Goodbye.
Okay, good. 5 1 Bravo Juliet, bye.
Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec, hold Mike and report ready.
Hold Mike, we are ready, Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec.
KLM 9093, surface wind 22.7 knots, bearing west to north, runway 27, clear to land.
This is Zurich, KLM 90.
KLM 903, expect Bravo to vacate Bravo.
Bravo, KLM 90. Flight 9769, we're approaching Mike, we're ready for departure in sequence.
Flight 9769, thank you, behind the landing Embraer via Mike, line up and wait, runway 27 behind.
I'm landing Embraer, fire Mike, line up and wait, runway 27, behind fire 9769.
Arrow 220.
It's Arrow 220, City Tower, continue approach, surface wind 310 degrees, 8 knots, bearing west to north.
Continue approach, Arrow 220.
Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec, contact Thames Director 128.025, goodbye.
128.1025, goodbye, Swiss 3 Sierra Quebec.
Flight 8712, West Texas.
Flyer 8712, taxi, holding point Mike.
Your Mike, flight 8712.
KLM 993, give way to the British Airways Embraer there, coming off stand 9, then vacate Alpha or Bravo for stand 9.
Okay,
Flyer 90769, the surface wind 340 degrees, 8 knots, bearing west to north, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
clear takeoff 27, Flyer 90769.
It's Harold 220, continue, expect select landing clearance departure roll very shortly, and planning expect Delta.
Copy, we plan to exit Delta and we will wait for the landing clearance and short final, Arrow 220.
City Tower, Parish, Echo Yankee. First time Golf Yankee, City Tower, continue approach 37 up to 6.